Welcome! This is Taya Mills, and I am going to introduce myself to you. I am the instructor for Job Ready Now, and during the course, we will mostly be interacting through feedback. And so I wanted to let you get to know me so that I can get to know you, and so that we can have a good working relationship. I just wanted to introduce this with one of my favorite quotes. This is from Ralph Waldo Emerson. He says, "Men, and I would add women, succeed when they realize that their failures are preparation for their victories." And I love that, and I hope that you'll keep that in mind as we go throughout our course. Recently, I graduated from National University with a Master's of Science in Instructional and Educational Technology. While there, I made a discovery that online learning can be an enormous blessing to the lives of students around the world. Because of that newfound understanding, I decided to create Job Ready Now as my master's capstone project. I hope this course blesses your life by bringing new understanding and skills to propel your job outlook. Before National University, I graduated from Brigham Young University, Idaho, with a Bachelor of Arts in English and Health Education. During my time at BYUI, I became passionate about education and realized how inspiring it is to work with students. This was when I first realized that learning and teaching are very closely intertwined. You'll notice that this realization guided a few of the concepts in this course. I am passionate about the virtual classroom because I love being a part of innovative thinking and creating opportunities for students who don't fit the traditional student mold. I have a personal philosophy that learning is for everyone, regardless of age, experience, abilities, or socioeconomics. I am a part of online education as an instructor for Brigham Young University Pathway Worldwide. I enjoy working with a diverse group of students in basic writing and life skills courses. I look forward to expanding my virtual outreach with this course. My world away from the classroom revolves around my children who are 3 and 5 years old. We love our family outings, camping and hiking, and often enjoy time in Yellowstone National Park, which is near our home. We can usually be found taking a walk, caring for our garden vegetables and flowers, or watching a movie or America's Funniest Home Videos. I am happy and blessed to work with inspiring online students and have oodles of time for my family. Now, once again, I wanted to bring this quote up on this board because I think this is an important component of this course as well as in our lives. I personally believe that when we realize that our failures are learning experiences, then they can really propel us to our victories, and I hope that you will find that true in this course.